Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first, it's True Love. It is True Love, isn't it? It's by Lella from Moda. We have the wide back magic dots. Fantastic, fantastic colors. You know my love of green, people. Look at all of these stunning colors. Our pre-cuts are they all sold out already?
Pretty much.
They're pretty much all sold out. And I'm pretty sure we can't get more. So yardage is going to be the way to go here, which why wouldn't you get that yardage? It's amazing. Well done. Well done. Then for Robert Kaufman, we have Fabric Market. Now this is not the entire line. We decided to go with more like the autumn color wave here. So it feels a little bit cozier, and we wanted more, not exactly on the nose autumn, but kind of red on autumny. Sometimes people don't love like pumpkins and leaves, but this feels autumnal without pumpkins and leaves. So we went with Fabric Market. Those are our two new things today, but then I have a couple of announcements, so don't leave yet. Okay, first, we are closed. The shop is closed tomorrow, Saturday, July 4th. We will be running a 5K and then celebrating with friends and all of that. And so will all of the ladies who work at our shop. So we gave them the day off, we gave ourselves the day off, and you should take the day off and spend time with people you love as well. And then next week, starting Tuesday, we will have a sale on patriotic prints. That will be online and in the store. You will not need a discount code. It will be automatically applied to the voltage. Sunday show will happen on the 5th at 3 p.m. It'll be Caleb and I. And our question, if you want to be entered to win one of the two giveaways, is, okay, even if you're not a soccer fan, you can answer this because I'm not a soccer fan, but I can answer this. Okay. So the USA plays their next match on Monday. If the USA doesn't win, we are down one of our best players, people. Okay. If they do not win, what country do you want to win the World Cup? Some examples in case you don't know who could potentially be there. It could be England, Spain, Portugal, Egypt. Wait, did Sweden lose? Sweden lost. Oh, sad. So did Congo. Okay, well, there's a few choices for you, but just look up who's still in the matches, okay? And pick who you want to win if the USA does not win their next match. Okay, until next time, happy quilting and happy 4th of July. Bye.